Hi friends, for Math Journal today we're going to do more than, less than the raindrop paper. So the very first thing I'm going to do is the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, our directions say count the raindrops. Color the cloud with the fewest raindrops. Okay, so I'm going to look at which one has the least, which one has less than the rest, the fewest. Now remember, for good practice, I'm going to write how many. So I'm going to count 1, 2. Okay, this cloud has 2 raindrops. 1, 2, 3. This one has 3 around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3. This one has 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. Let's compare 2, 3, and 1. 1 has the fewest. There's only 1. It's the fewest. I'm going to lightly color in the cloud with 1 raindrop. That is the fewest. There is 1. That is the fewest number of raindrops. Okay, friends, you're going to do the rest by yourself. You're going to count the raindrops on each, write how many, and then color in the one that has the fewest. We will see you back here soon. Remember to bring your math journal with you for science.